much to do, all these same things. We're always opening up, letting the day in. Over a cup, we'll say, how you been? Looking around, seeing the same things every day brings. Hello, how you been? Thank you, come again. Some things never change. I wouldn't call this place a happy end, but I've been round the block and just came back again. A small town like ours ain't much, but sometimes home is where your ass ends up. Check the clock, tick, tick, tock, don't stop, serve with a smile. Hurry up, fill the coffee cup, and then in a while, take a breath when you need to be reminded that with days like these, we can only do the best we can. Till we do it again. Hello, how you been? Thank you, come again. Hello, how you been? Thank you, come again. Hello, how you been? Thank you, come again.